So do you want to stay in a 5-star hotel in Orchard Road without breaking the bank? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do it in $118 net. Alright guys, welcome back to Honey Money SG channel. My name is Christopher and today I'm going to teach you how we can stay in the heart of Orchard Road for just $118 net. So how many of you have actually thought of having a staycation in Singapore? Especially in this pandemic, right? So we can't travel overseas to visit our friends and families who may be based overseas. But what we can do is actually to have a local staycation. So the hotel offering this is actually Mandarin Orchard. So Mandarin Orchard is one of the famous luxury hotel brands in Singapore and worldwide. And this time they are offering at a huge discount because of what happened last month. So apparently there were some stay-home notice cases that were being infected with COVID-19. And that put a very negative impression of people who may be intending to stay at the hotel. So right now they are offering this rate so that they can bring back their customers back to their hotel and then they can earn money again. So if you have the means and the capability, try to support more of our local businesses. And you know who else needs support? This channel. If you think such content is beneficial for you, please help give an early thumbs up at the like button below. And if you want to share it to your friends and family, please do so and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let's get on to the main story of how am I going to book this staycation for $118. Coming up.
Start by going into your browser's search engine and search for Mandarin Orchard Heroes. Pretty nice name. So look for the result that says "Thank you Everyday Heroes." This is the one. Click on it. You will come to the Mandarin Orchard homepage of Singapore. Okay, scroll down. You will see this "Thank you Everyday Heroes" offer. So what does this offer include? It has a one-night stay in the deluxe room with breakfast for two at $118 net for stays in the month of January. So we have a few days left to the end of January. So the difference between this and the second line is that the second line is for the months of February and March. So you have to top up $30 to include the breakfast for two people. So the difference is January has breakfast included at the $118 net, while February and March, you will need to top up $30 to enjoy the breakfast. So some of the terms and conditions you can read here. Firstly, let's define who are the frontliner categories. You can click here. Alright, you have a very wide range of frontliners category which can be approved by Mandarin Orchard. So firstly, we have healthcare and social services. So these are our medical frontliners. We have transportation, our bus drivers, taxi drivers, Grab drivers, defense and security. So if you are an NS man, police, or even an NSF serving the national service, you'll be eligible here. Food and beverage. If you are a chef, so someone in the service crew, welcome to enjoy it as well. Environment and hygiene, construction and infrastructure, education for our teachers, tourism and hospitality, tour guides, airport crew, and even the tourist destinations. Manufacturing and distribution. This is more for our logistics and industrial friends. Banking and finance, wow, even white-collar jobs. Media and communications, so if you're in the media industry, welcome. Energy, reminds me of SP Power. Okay. Legal services, so even lawyers and paralegal services are included. Okay, more everyday heroes, not sure what is that. Okay. Okay, going back to this offer. Valid employee ID must be presented upon check-in. Yes, so bring your staff pass, bring your employee ID so that they can verify that you are from that particular industry. Okay, maximum 6 rooms allowed per booking. I guess it's to prevent any kind of abuse that people book so many rooms and then sell it to others and profiteering from it. It's a good T&C. Cancellation must be done by 2 PM 48 hours before the arrival. Otherwise, one-night penalty applies. Pretty fair. I'm surprised they even include a free cancellation cost because this kind of offers usually comes with a non-refundable rate. Okay, and lastly, it is subjected to availability and cannot be combined with any other offers. So it's probably not eligible for your Singapore Rediscover vouchers if you want to hack on that. No way. It's already an offer. Okay, so let's see what we have. Here we go. Let's take a look at the available dates. Okay, right here you can see the calendar, and most of it is marked as the $118 rate. Okay, some weekends, especially the Saturday nights, are going for $148. And if we go to March, okay, we can still see the $118 rate for the full month of March. So even for the school holidays period, right? If you want to bring your kid and your family to staycation, very welcome to stay in the March. Okay, but take note that March would not have the breakfast included in the $118, so you have to top up $30. Likewise for February, even for Chinese New Year. Wow, if you want to avoid your relatives and house visit, especially this COVID season, right? We don't want to have too many people congregating at one house. You can go and stay at a hotel. Okay, enjoy your personal time so that you can avoid all your relatives' questions. Okay, coming back to January, I think that is the best deal actually. You can actually book a Friday night this weekend or even next weekend. So pretty good deal for $118. I'm going to try making a dummy booking right here. Okay, it's reflected there. And to confirm, yes, the MOS cares applied. That's the promo code. You have a free cancellation up to 2 p.m. 2 days before the arrival. It must be guaranteed with a credit card. Let's look at what are the room types. We have a deluxe room, king bed, pretty standard. Shower looks like a normal standard shower. Even though they say there's a bathtub, I'm not sure if there's a real bathtub there. 28 square meters is pretty huge for a room in Singapore. I guess the hotel room's average size in Singapore is probably 20 square meters. So 28 is really generous. Okay, so other than the king room, we have twin beds. So if you prefer to sleep on separate beds, this is the one for you. Okay, and you can also upgrade if you want to a superior deluxe room. I'm not sure what's the difference because the room size looks the same. It probably has more. Okay, it has dual basins, so you won't quarrel with your partner if you want to share the basin. And yeah, you can see from the mirror image here, there is a bathtub. I think that's all the offers that are eligible. I think if you are a no-frills person, the $118 net per night room is already a great offer. So I'll just keep to this room, $118, continue to book. Okay, and then you can see that there is breakfast for frontliners included for free. So I guess this is for the January rate. If you are booking for the February and March period, you probably have this at $30. So update, this is added. You can't change any of this. So I guess that's for 2 people. Click continue to book. Okay, over here you have your first name, last name, or your contact information, so fill it in. If you already have a Meritus account, sign in for a faster booking. Okay, go ahead, key in all your details, and then key in your credit card number, and you are good to go. So I believe once after that, your reservation will be confirmed, and the confirmation will be sent to your email. And that's all.
Alright, so that's how you do it to book a staycation for $118. Right in the heart of Orchard Road, Singapore. So if you really like this offer, please share this video to your friends and family. Make sure all of them are informed, and I hope you have benefited from this video. So if you felt that this video has helped you learn something new today, consider subscribing and help me push the like button so that YouTube can promote this content to more people and enjoy the discount. Thank you very much and have a great day, okay? I'll see you on the next one.